Next thing I realized, if you go through the process of working on the tip of the nose, just now I discovered, see, the aging starts in your body, the tip of the nose. Every day, for example, you are now 1 day older than yesterday. So how that 1 day becoming older spreads to your biomemory? First, your tip of the nose becomes old. Oh, 1 moment old. Then that message goes to all the system, all over the system. Then all of them say, yes, now we are 1 moment old. Now we are 2 moment old, 3 moment old, 4 moment old, 5 moment old, 1 day old, 1 year old. So the first part which perceives aging in your body is tip of the nose. So if you put your awareness on the tip and unclutch from kala, time, the process which we did in the inner awakening. If you are initiated into that process, you are not even bound by this time. Whenever, wherever you want to sit and connect, you will see awakening. You will see your frequency raising to this coherence and Kundalini experience happening. Understand? If you are just initiated into unclutching, your Kundalini is awakened even once. You don't need to have experienced shaking of the body and rolling and all that. If you experience that, then it becomes foolproof, over. Even if you have not experienced those things, if you are initiated, if you had the energy experience during the initiation. See, there is a group, when they come near me, intense experience, their body can't stand and jumps, rolls, does everything. But when they are sitting there, they may not have levitation. Understand? You are also already initiated. Even if you have that initiation, wherever you sit, you are now free from space. Wherever you sit at this time, that morning, when the Pratyaksha Pada Puja is happening, as on now it is 7:30 to 8:15. The Indian Standard Time. Sit wherever you are and connect. You will see the awakening. Nothing else is required. Nothing else is required. You don't need to do that chaotic breathing. You don't need to do the humming. You don't need to put the awareness. You don't need to unclutch. All the four I am doing it at a time. See. So you don't need to do all this individually, independently. All 45 minutes, all the 5 processes I am doing at a time. In Nitya Dhyan what? What all the 5 processes? Chaotic breathing, humming, putting your awareness on energy centers and awakening Kundalini, and Guru Puja. Is it not? Unclutching and Guru Puja. These 5. All these 5 in Nitya Dhyan happens 7 minutes. Here the whole 45 minutes, all 5 at a time happens. Your Kundalini is awake. You are already doing chaotic breathing. And you are doing Guru Puja and what not. Understand? Just this 45 minutes. If you are initiated, you are free from space wherever you sit. Just sit. Don't miss. Don't miss. Just sit. Towards the direction of where Swamiji is residing. And connect. You will fall into that, you will raise into that coherence. And experience the Kundalini. If you are initiated into the process of handling time, that the process of unclutching at the tip of the nose from the time means one, the boredom. If you have mastered time, you will not have boredom in your life. Understand? Please understand. Somehow, in these next few days, I will have one more sitting with you guys. Break this boredom. The moment you break boredom, you can make time out of consciousness. Like a thread out of cotton, you can make time out of consciousness. Your body will not experience the worst anti-effects of time on you. Your body and mind experiences the negative effects of time on you only when you are bored. Do not expect excitement from something other than time. Let the time itself excite you. Let the movement of time over you itself excite you. Don't expect something else also should come along with the time. See now, Kala, time is continuously moving on you. But you expect along with Kala some more pleasures to come to excite you. When those pleasures are missing, you feel bored. If you are feeling bored with Kala, you are fighting with time. No. No. Work on the tip of the nose means unclutch. Putting your awareness on the tip of the nose and break free from Kalatraya. Please understand. When I say the word Kalatraya, it's 3 different modes of time. I am not saying past, present, future. No. Excited, bored, anti. Sometimes you are excited about time. Sometimes you are bored of time. Sometimes you are against time. This is Kalatraya. Excited about the time is expectation about future. Bored of time is unable to be in present. Afraid of time is the fear or the negativity which you have about your past.